from Artifical University pursuing third BTech CSC. I've joined CRIFI for internship in machine learning, and I've taken up a project which is facial expression recognition using Python. In using this, I've used some packages like OpenCV and TensorFlow. Let me give a demonstration of how this works. Here I have what actually this project is about. We train a system with multiple photos, in which each photo is about some expression, say anger, happiness, sadness, whatever. It could be of any expression, and you will first train your system with some hundreds of photos of each expression. And when we run the webcam using our Python code, in the real time it will detect our face and just give out a message which says which expression is our face showing out. So firstly, we have to first run a code which will first crop all the images. We have a database and we have to crop all the images so that we don't have any disturbances surrounding the faces. So after cropping, we'll get two files which are known as retrained graph and retrained labels. These labels carry information of all the trained images, so that if your system, if it gets a new image or a new web video, it can detect the faces. After cropping the images, what we have to do is import our label image, so that for each and every image or each and every expression we attach a label for that, which is anger or happiness or anything. After all of that has happened, here we use HAR cascaders, which is a part of OpenCV package, where each cascade has its own inbuilt functions, where it will detect a face, maybe eyes, or maybe some features. So each and every package has its own inbuilt function, where it will be identifying the features of face. So after including all of that in our program, we finally run the program to see if this is going to work. So I'm using Python IDLE shell for running the program. So when I run the file, I can see here it's giving me my present expression by So it has given me my expressions. So why do we have to use this facial expression recognition is that there are a few uses for it. Suppose this is just a small part of a big project. We can add on extensions to this. Maybe in a car, if someone is going, then we can detect if he's sleepy and immediately alarm him, he has to stop the car and he's not supposed to drive when he's almost sleepy. Or we can also have this in an interview, where you can just see the expressions of some people and say if really what the body language is meaning is showing on their face. We can also do it when video games are being tested. We can also actually see how people are reacting to the process of game. So there are quite a few uses of this expression recognition. Thank you.